In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install wheels of different date on your car. Hey, this is Grace. Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, give us a thumb up and make sure to subscribe. It is the dream of many people to assemble a supercar. The chassis comes from the German Odinka customer factory. The frame uses the British Lotus Everest supercar. There is the BMW E90 front wheel hub assembly and the F50 rear wheel hub assembly. If you are going to install the Porsche wheel on the BMW, the easiest way is to install the wheel spacers. Customer spacers can change the PCD and the CB so that we can install the different size wheel. If you need long-common techniques, Bonus is your best choice. It has an independent OEM factory, so customer size spacers can be complete 1 to 3 days at the fastest. So now, cut to the chase. Let's get it. Hold on, before installing the spacer, to make it and the wheel hub assembly more fit, remember to use a brake cleaner to remove the rust. There is no gap between the high-precision machine spacer and the hub assembly. It fits very well. And this is hub-centric. This part will fit on the inner side of the rim. The groove in the rim can accommodate the protruding part of the bolt. If it cannot, the bolt needs to cut off. Put everything back. Finally, the Porsche wheels are perfect match with the F30 hub assembly. If you are interested in customer spacers, please make sure to see the links down on the description. Once again, my name is Grace. If you like our videos, give us a thumb up and make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.